Yemu achen mu akwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumade no so. Yada ni ta ekute guasen kranshen sema wode ebi ekwan de adu so no ye Badwam kase. Samno ne atodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini. Organized labor yes enkene wo mo tie atua den so wo mabo asensen ye de bebro. Na fe you tag nso ade atodwa se organized labor enyo organized labor wo mo de atuate no won mote. Eno ni nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV. Badwam kase a wo hwe me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 YouTube Adom TV Tube okwa adomonline.com so a ensem ni bebre wo ho a ye de agu ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de ensem ni chemu ankasa etie organized labor ye ne senka enne ekuri Warmo etiachia ni nyina no gina galamse ese yensuo ne enkwa yibretu no aban ne nyehwemfa ho mfa sonto so obi anya ya ombeti atua nanso anu ayeda sore ya munhia mudie no warmo atwede asensen a yama no boni kodwomensa abrampako ho bia otwaso
na meeting organized labor wa sha ase no na ote bra na omanfo a wo meeting na se nara de enyije bia enyim ansa na Joshua ansa oye secretary general ma organized labor no oze imuaye zrebo to gwade strike anka yame ya no ochina woboko no wa atwe strike no atwe
two forces to no abai behe no money to commonly the panel to it can have the like a room of analysis and I'm saying what can I do as you say and I'm saying your cost against your person by again no be mine no way to can also all your money in tea the king strike no assistance na get be in the
Kojo mensa abrampa na menzebo
we nyina mu se wo ma twe ade asensen no eye University Teachers Association of Ghana de wo so mu da so aginem wormo ebeye ye kire no Professor Ransford Jampo ene de nsemi etudwa
Secretary Dr. Joe Harris, Yanizun Company decision was Abano. Some now organized labor to Ghana.
My brother, it's unfortunate. This is a very sad day for Ghana. In the mirror of power on there. Namu war GT war organized labor mude nche nzamabona record of my moon nche ubutuna wa IBB nyimpa all the will take a decision. Madam Kalam say yes stop nche wetu unfortunately no they came with a prepared speech and virtually ready to us. All the dissent opinions were not taken on board. It's very sad that evil has triumphed over good, but this is not over yet.
Evil has triumphed over good. Was the two good? Nzamanu wapada abani yen washasi onintino wama abandam no asachre den.
Mo pocho in summer year kind abans all started all academic semi onyende. If bearing who are achieve any result, and so if you come and rehash the same thing to us, you don't expect the result is going to be different.
Are going to meet this evening. We have voted already. The 16 public universities have all voted unanimously and overwhelmingly to say that they want to go on an industrial action, and we don't care about what disorganized labor wants to do. We would be the conscience of Ghana. We will defend Ghanaians and we will ensure that we defeat this fight. We will defeat this existential threat that confronts all of us. If disorganized labor would not want to do it, we will do it. Thank you very much.
Is it fair to describe the leadership of organized labor as being incompetent? To describe the
given the kinds of things that happen here. Okay, you do not call a meeting and then go with a prepared speech. Otherwise, prepared speech that are conclusive. The speech has its own conclusion. We had not spoken. We had not discussed. And then you came, and then when we had not even discussed it, so we are calling off the strike. On what basis?
Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners and so one year by national said dim komo pa fa illegal mining no ho na komo no so wiemu die ye pa de ma wo mu a wani da kwan se ne ma besesa wo galamsey truo no ho national director ma communication de emakuo no Alhassan Abdul Razak ene Godwin ama a wono ye twetwero ni na won mo de nsemi etudwa
Association of Small Scale Miners, Amane Bawa, Diababetu Jano, Chredia. Won come on a Ghana by Nicodi, ye edifagalam, say ye kosu, my imuno. Echo kama maybe be a dead ding. Now one crate be ribetu ja. Na National Director of Communication, Al Hassan Abdul Razak, and a General Secretary, Godwin Ama, Womo Sashasiano. Uchire Mose, in Shamuya course you Ghana by Nitanasi. I dare say, in Penifire crowd, so my Ghana yatana ye insio, quite breaks won't be to me abohon ebine. Asanso so na Shamuna say no, Ghana by any church ceremony who do be obeya, Ninny never bua upon my Ghana, yatana ye insio no quite breaks to a home ebine. Nansemwa, Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners in Penifo Kayane say, woman age and ho passe. In crowd money Ghana by one cha when no one mutina sia when no one eating como. And nonti or Frankrata and so ready to organize labor and a civil society organizations in your animal say woman in anka woman who embomo. Said a beya galam say kono, every time you pay your ninkonim demo.
Let's go. I better hurry up. You think we will leave you? We won't leave you. We are not scared. If I'm scared, do you think I'll come here? Huh? Move.
We have arrested them. We'll hand them over to the divisional police.
And you should tell us
they will show us their work permit, their documentation, the mining lease, their resident permit, and all. Immigration document. They will have to provide it, to the government of Ghana. They are on it. Omuguso Forest. This is the Kano Numere Forest. One diverting Suone Kwai, which is the Kano River. And Womushim and Womutu. They are doing what they want to do.
Near Ghana Mampeni Nanado, Danko Kufuadon, so as Warren wasasi sudua biemu ne obeye bia na galamse to obecha ne enya nsupanom yensase ebewo ho aha bia mamu no obekoso aye
Nhyiamu Mampanyi Adedanko Akufuado any organized labor eyeye akire no wonom eden hyehye wode egu akwan mu a wo ba behwe sede ebeye a wonom a wonam kwan bonu so etu fom agudie wo nsunsu ahodo mu ene kwaye mu no obetu won so sa na adwuma wo ye no wagyae kora nhyehyɛ ni bi ene se asrafo dada wonom wo honom eye adwuma no wode bi eba beka won ho Mampanyini ene soafo hwe defense so akasa se wontu asrafo enkwaka wonom a woyɛ operation halt no ho ya na botae ne se wode behwe no watu kwan bone amanfo fa so etu fom agudie ase eno da nkyɛn ya Mampanyi ena monkrata yi so asan so ahye se wonom a wakohye kwaye mu a wotu fom agudie ewo honom no wonom enyae na no so wonam soafo a wohwe environment science technology and innovation so ene environmental protection agency so ahye se emmara ema kwan samanfo betumi akwakotu fom agudie ewo kwaye ahodo mu no wontwentwen so ansa saa hyehye ya woni asoafo ya ye eda nkyɛn a Mampanyi asan so ahye se Attorney General and Chief Justice enye adwuma mum na se be ya courts ahodo a wonom edi won a wafa kwanbonu so tu fom agudie ensem no won mie biebi enka ho se be ya obetumi edi sansem ni nyina awie ntem enkrata ni mu no wakyerem se Mampanyi Adedanko Akufuado de wasi nkete se ko a wosoi ewo kwanboni a manfo fa so tu fom agudie so no obehye mu kena na watumi atu ase kora no wonam nkrata yi so ede ato Ganafo nyina amanyokua ahodo mpanyinifo ene kabiomufuo nyina anim se wonom enka won hummumu se de be ya ekon ya omen esuai ewo galamse so no obetumi adisunkunim enkrata Eugene Ngahen ya oye Director of Communications sa Mampanyi atenaye ena nensa ehyase
Maminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na mede asi twen ye biem besi ma bienu ye nche de obonkrata ne de ba ne online de no wadaro ma ye de so mo twen ye kwaba